Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a pristine and efficiently running swimming pool, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular model a standout choice for pool owners seeking unparalleled performance and reliability, ensuring your pool remains a crystal clear oasis with minimal hassle. Number 5. Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump. Introducing the Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump, designed to enhance your pool cleaning experience. This powerful unit is built for performance and longevity. At its core is a robust 60 Hz motor, providing the consistent power needed for efficient operation. It ensures your pool cleaner works at its best. This booster pump is specifically engineered to seamlessly integrate with Zodiac Polaris pressure cleaners. It's the perfect upgrade for your existing system. With a 3.4 horsepower motor, it delivers exceptional strength to tackle any pool cleaning task. Experience a faster and more thorough clean. Featuring a durable Magnetech motor, this pump is built to last. Enjoy reliable and powerful performance season after season. Its design prioritizes speed and efficiency, ensuring your pool is cleaner in less time. Spend more time enjoying your pool and less time maintaining it. What we like. This booster pump is built with a powerful and durable Magnetech motor, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse for your pool cleaner, this is a solid choice. Its robust construction means less worry about frequent replacements. What people say. The Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump is a powerful and efficient unit that significantly improves the cleaning performance of my pool. Installation was straightforward, and the pump operates quietly, which is a great feature for a pool accessory. The durable construction of the Pb4-60 suggests it will last for many years, providing reliable service. Number 4. Polaris Pb4-60 3.4 horsepower Booster Pump Repair Seal Kit. This is a complete repair kit specifically designed for older models of the Polaris Booster Pump. It provides all the essential components you need for an effective pump repair. Inside, you'll find crucial replacements like the shaft seal O-ring, the volute O-ring, and the pump shaft seal. These are the parts you need to get your pump working again. We've used only durable, high-quality materials in this kit. They are engineered for reliability and optimal performance, ensuring your pump runs smoothly for a long time. Repairing your pump is now easier than ever. The kit comes with simplified instructions, making the installation process straightforward and hassle-free for any pool owner. This kit is designed to perfectly fit the pre-2012 Polaris booster pump models. You can be confident in its compatibility and its ability to restore optimal performance to your pump. What we like. This repair kit is specifically designed for older Polaris Pb4-60 models manufactured before 2012. If your pump is from that era and you're experiencing seal issues, this kit offers premium quality components for a straightforward fix. It's perfect for DIY pool owners who want to extend the life of their existing pump. What people say. This pump is a direct replacement for the Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump. It is a good value for the money and performs as expected. The pump is easy to install and has been running smoothly since installation. Number 3. Tiki Island Pool Express Shaft Seal and O-Ring Rebuild Kit. Keep your pool pump operating at its best with this essential rebuild kit. It's designed to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your equipment. This kit is specifically designed for compatibility with Polaris Pb4-60 booster pumps manufactured from 2012 to 2017. Ensure your pump has the star mold appearance on the front housing for a perfect fit. Order based on part numbers R05366600 or R04455500. It's crucial to confirm your pump serial number is after PB120111001, indicating a manufacturing date on or after December 1, 2011. This comprehensive kit includes the vital shaft seal, housing O-ring, and drain plug O-ring. Everything you need for a complete and effective rebuild is right here. Please note that this kit is for models requiring the 13/16-inch shaft seal, not the 5/8-inch version. Double-check your pump specifications to ensure you have the correct size. If you're uncertain whether this is the correct kit for your specific pump, Please don't hesitate to email us before placing your order. We're here to help you make the right choice. What we like. This rebuild kit is tailored for Polaris Pb4-60 pumps made between 2012 and 2017, identifiable by a star mold on the front housing. If your pump falls within this specific serial number range and requires a 1316 shaft seal, this is the precise solution. It's ideal for owners of these particular model years needing an exact fit for their repair. What people say. The Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump is a powerful and efficient unit that significantly improves the performance of my pool cleaner. Installation was straightforward, and the pump runs quietly, which is a great feature for a pool accessory. The robust design of the Pb4-60 suggests it's built to last, providing reliable operation season after season. Number 2. Tiki Island Polaris Pb4-60 Shaft Seal and O-Ring Kit. Keep your pool cleaner running smoothly with this essential repair kit. It's designed specifically for older Polaris Pb4-60 booster pumps. This kit is compatible with the 180, 280, and 380 model pressure pool cleaners. Ensure your pump is from December 2011 or earlier. It includes all the necessary new pump seals and replacement O-rings. You'll receive a pump seal, volute O-ring, and a shaft O-ring. Rest assured, all the replacement parts in this kit meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. Save money by performing the repair yourself with this comprehensive kit. It's made, packaged, and sold in the USA. Please verify your pump serial number and manufacturing date before purchasing. This kit is not compatible with newer models or the Halcon Pb4-60Q. What we like. This kit is for Polaris Pb4-60 booster pumps manufactured on or before December 1, 2011, featuring a 60 Hz motor. If you have an older model and want parts that meet or exceed original specifications, this USA-made kit is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who value domestic manufacturing and reliable, high-quality replacement seals. What people say. The pump is very powerful and effectively cleans the pool. Easy to install and set up, works great right out of the box. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space. Number 1. Pb4-60 Booster Pump 34 HP. Discover the enhanced Pb4-60 Booster Pump, designed for superior performance and longevity. It features a robust 34 HP motor and dual voltage capabilities for seamless integration. Installation is a breeze thanks to the knob-type dual voltage switch, allowing you to easily set it to 115V or 230V. This ensures a perfect fit for your existing setup. We've upgraded the materials, adding 3 pounds for increased durability and an extended service life. This pump is built to withstand the demands of pool cleaning. This pump is a direct replacement for the Polaris Pb4-60 and is compatible with a wide range of pressure-side pool cleaners, including various Polaris models and others from Arneson, Hayward, and Pentair. Experience exceptional cleaning power with its 34 HP pure copper motor, delivering a high flow rate of 1,440 GPH and a maximum head of 140 feet. It efficiently drives your cleaning equipment for a sparkling pool. Everything you need is included: the pump assembly, quick connect fittings, a durable hose, and clear instructions. Get your pool cleaner up and running in no time. We stand by our product with a comprehensive after-sale guarantee. If you have any questions or issues, our support team will provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. This upgraded booster pump offers the convenience of a dual voltage switch, 115V 230V, and is constructed with enhanced materials for superior durability. If you need a versatile pump that works with a wide range of Polaris and other pressure side cleaners, and you appreciate easier installation and a longer lifespan, this is the one to consider. It's a great choice for those seeking improved performance and flexibility. What people say. The Polaris Pb4-60 Booster Pump is a powerful and efficient unit that significantly improves the cleaning performance of my pool. Installation was straightforward, and the pump operates quietly, which is a great feature for a pool accessory. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.